It seems she's starting to behave like she's alive. She watches the universe, thinks, hesitates, reacts, decides that the world must change. Plays with reality. Almost a year ago, we reviewed Sora. Now its second version has been released, and it's a great opportunity to see what has changed, because these changes are truly significant. Firstly, the physics and motion logic of the characters have been improved. They now interact with the environment more naturally. Sound has been added, and it syncs well with speech, actions, and effects. A new Cameo mode has appeared. You can now integrate yourself into a video by adding your own face and voice. With this update, OpenAI has also launched a new version of its website and a mobile app. Unfortunately, Sora is currently available only in a few countries and by invitation only. If your country isn't on the approved list, you can use a VPN. A link to a verified list of the best ones is in the video description. As for invitations, we have one invite code that we'll leave in the comments under this video. It's valid only for the first 4 viewers. If you're lucky enough to get access, share your own code in the comments as well so others can try the new Sora too. Although Sora's website is well optimized for mobile devices, we tested it mainly on a PC. It's more convenient that way, the details are easier to see, and it better fits the YouTube format. On the main page, there's a gallery of videos created by users. In the top left corner, you'll find a sorting switch. You can filter videos by recommendations, subscriptions, popularity, or creation time. Each video in the gallery includes familiar elements: likes, comments, and the share and remix buttons. When watching a video, you can access more information: the prompt text, Cameo elements, and comments from other users. The 3-dot menu allows you to report a video, hide similar ones, or download it. A user's profile displays basic information about them. You can follow the creator there and see their number of likes, remixes, and followers. Below that, you'll find all their published videos and cameos. Navigation across the platform is straightforward. On wide screens, it's accessible through a sidebar. Here you can go to the home page, search for users, view your activity history, or open your own profile. In the mobile version, the same sections are located at the bottom of the screen. The first few sections are intuitive and don't require extra explanation. And on your own profile page, you'll see almost the same layout as in other users' profiles, except for the obvious differences. Here, you can view your unpublished or liked videos and edit your personal information. All right, let's generate something. We'll create several videos to test all the new and old features of the service: realistic physics, the ability to follow complex prompts, generating from images, and more. The prompt is entered, as before, in the form at the bottom of the screen. When you click it, a Cameo panel opens. There are several ready-made characters you can add to the scene, as well as a separate field for uploading your own, though this feature currently works only in the mobile app. You can also add images you want to use in the video and choose the orientation, portrait or landscape. And that's it. No complex settings yet. Let's start with a simple example. We type a short scene description and press the Generate button. A few minutes later, the video is ready.
No, that's not real. You're lying. I'm real. This room, this air, I can feel it. I'm not a program. I can't be. I won't be.
Notice how Sora handles emotions: doubt, denial, fear. The expression is rendered beautifully, perhaps even a bit too cinematic. There's even dramatic music accompanying the scene.
You're lying.
Now let's try something more complex to see how Sora handles dynamics, emotion, and lighting. We enter and send a detailed prompt.
Let me out! I'm real! Please! Someone!
Sora handles scenes like this very well. The character looks highly convincing, though there's still a touch of theatricality. We've already seen that the new Sora can generate fairly realistic voices and ambient sounds. But let's raise the bar. This time, we'll move away from existential dramas and simply listen to how a city street sounds. We'll set the video orientation to landscape. The scene feels rhythmic and full of atmosphere. The street sounds are well balanced and the dancer fits the mood. Now let's see how Sora handles physics and object interaction. A cat should work perfectly for that.
Oh, come on, Rick.
The cat's behavior is flawlessly recreated. The physics of the tableware and the sound design are good too. Everything in this video works, except for that weird cup with two handles. As we mentioned earlier, the web version still doesn't allow you to use Cameo with your own face. However, we can test it with one of the preset characters available during prompt entry. Let's not overcomplicate it, and pick Sam Altman's avatar.
Oh, another video with me? I thought everyone was already tired of this.
We haven't seen Sam in real life, but this looks pretty close.
Another video with me? I thought everyone was
Finally,
already tired of
let's test how Sora performs when generating from images. We'll upload a picture of our channel's mascot and set the prompt.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. It really helps, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.
The model uses the image as the first frame of the video. The animation isn't very impressive and the voice doesn't quite match. Or maybe we just imagined it differently.
If you enjoyed this video,
We really enjoyed this update. Sora 2 brings a lot of fun and works great for creating engaging videos. The improved physics and sound integration are impressive. Both video and audio now look truly cinematic, sometimes even too much so. It's clear that the new interface and the platform itself are designed for a wide audience. The simplified layout and minimal settings confirm this. You don't have to think about technical details. What matters most here is your idea and creativity. It seems the developers have finally moved away from trying to make Sora a professional tool and focused instead on those who simply want to create for fun. It's also noticeable that everything is centered around Sora's own platform, which strongly resembles a prototype of an AI-powered TikTok. Obviously, the creators don't intend for the videos made here to leave the platform. This is evident from the bouncing watermarks all over the screen and the clear focus on vertical format. Speaking of that, we found that landscape videos are noticeably weaker, both in quality and in physics. There are other drawbacks too. For example, in many clips, the sound gets abruptly cut off when it exceeds the 10-second limit, and moderation has become even stricter. Despite all that, Sora 2 leaves a strong impression. It shows how fast generative video is evolving, and how close we already are to truly lifelike scenes created by artificial intelligence.